In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display flagged emails on top in Outlook. Whether you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, or sticking with classic Outlook on Windows, I'll show you quick, reliable ways to keep flagged messages front and center, so nothing slips through the cracks. If you are on the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the simplest option is pinning. Hover over a message in your inbox and click the pin icon that appears. That pins the email to the very top of your inbox and it stays there, even as new mail arrives. It's perfect for a small set of must-see items. When you are done with a pinned message, click the pin again to unpin it, and it will return to its normal place in the list. Another option in the new Outlook or on the web is filtering. At the top of the message pane, select Filter. Then choose Flagged. Your inbox will temporarily show only the items you've flagged, effectively putting them at the top of your view. When you are ready to see everything again, open Filter and switch back to All, and your full inbox returns. Now, if you are using Classic Outlook, you can bring flagged mail to the top by sorting. In your inbox, click the Flag Status column header, the small flag icon above the messages. Outlook will group flagged items together at the top. Click it again to toggle the order if needed. If you don't see that flag column, use the Arranged by Control at the top of your message list and choose Flag Start Date or Flag Due Date. That view also groups flagged items so your follow-ups float to the top where you can act on them quickly. You can return to your usual arrangement at any time by switching your view back. For a dedicated place to work from in Classic Outlook, create a For Follow-up search folder. In the left navigation pane, right-click Search Folders and select New Search Folder. Choose Mail Flagged for Follow-up, then click OK. This folder automatically gathers all your flagged messages, even across multiple folders. For one-click access, add it to favorites so it's always visible. And that's it. Thanks for watching.